What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Cool with Cool Kicks. We are back for another video. Back at Westfield, Culver City. Cause man, I feel like I should have bought some stuff at Lids. Yeah, let's go find out. Let's go find out, man. It was only like 3 days ago when I last came here. I think 3 or 4 days ago. Yeah, I came up on a bunch of stuff. I've hit up a bunch of Lids and a bunch of other spots since. And by now, y'all should know about the deals at Lids. So yeah, let me go see. All right, I hope you guys don't mind me going to the same spot, but here, they're probably not gonna have anything new, but I just wanted to see what I missed out on. I'd be surprised if they brought out anything new just because it's clearance stuff. So once it sells, it's usually gone. But yeah, let's find out. Dang, I psyched myself out. Buy one, get one, 50% off. This is all new. This wasn't here. James Worthy jerseys, $135. Buy one, get one, 50% off. Dang, dude. That's fire. That's fire. All right, but back to the stuff that's 50% off. Still got a decent number of jerseys here. Still got a decent number. I'm kind of wishing I did buy one of these, the Mitchell and Ness ones. I think I should have gotten one. The Magic jerseys. I thought I had 2 Magic jerseys, but I only have one. Got the purple one, I believe. That one right there. I got that one of those. I got that 50% off. Wait, no, not 50%. I got it for I got it for cheap. But yeah, I do got the kids jersey. That's XL, medium, small. Got the Penny Hardaways. $49 for these. A couple of mediums. Kawhi Leonard, a small Nike one for $83. So what is that? $41.50. Pippen gray jersey. Go for $49. The Mutombo jerseys, XL, double XL, for $49. The McGrady XL jersey going for $49. Mutombo jersey going for $98. So it's at $49. Got Larry Johnson's going for $49. Small, medium, large. Steve Smith, Spreewell. Some large, extra large Steve Nash, Dominique, go for $49. Some more Nash ones, and then the LeBron jerseys. The LeBron jerseys are $41.50. Got medium, large, and double XL. Do got Rodman jerseys for $49, several sizes, and the Pippen. These are pretty dope. This is a small though. These are pretty dope. The pinstripes. Blackhawk merch. This is pretty dope. $10. This is XL, double XL. Those are Fanatics jerseys. $10. Got this Lakers one. This is $147. $147. So that's 70. Was that $78? $78 or something? That's kind of crazy. LA Kings, yeah, see, they got a bunch of new stuff here. They didn't have this before. This is a Fanatics jersey, $128. So what is that? $64. Lakers jacket, $64. They did have this last week or earlier. $35 for this Chargers XL. So is that $17.50? $17.50. Holy crap. Mighty Ducks Fanatics, double XL, going for $128, so $64. WNBA stuff. Oh, Lakers. These are double XL sweats, going for what, $40 or $20 after the discount. Yep. Golden Knights hoodie right here, going for $32.50. Okay, what size is this? What size? It's a small. Okay. Shaq t-shirt, $10 after discount. That's a medium. Cowboys shirts go for what are these? Yeah, go for $5. These are all larges, medium too. Lakers dry fit t-shirts. What are these going for? This is an MLPS colorway. Dry fit's going for $41. It's XL and a small. Did get back to the shorts. I totally forgot they had all these shorts here. These are what, $60. But these are the city. What's that? The city jerseys. Got the Bulls gray ones going for 60. Laker shorts going for 30. Well, 60, then 50% off. I might grab these. They also got them a small. Got Jazz shorts going for 60. Bunch of sizes. Clippers, baby blue ones going for 68. These are Nike. Got XL. So they do have stuff that we haven't seen. And these are Raptors NBA jerseys. Okay. Large, extra large, double XL. Pippen Chicago jerseys, the gray ones, going for 60, medium. We got these Lakers ones. We saw these just a little while ago. These are small, double XL medium, going for $34. Orlando going for 30. This is a large. These Lakers, right? This one or this one or this one? I think this one, right? I have the jersey that matches this. I don't want to match. I don't want to match at that. Maybe. I think they're still 30 though. Yeah, so 30 and 30. I think I might have to go with this one. This is easier to match with, though. Well, that's an XL, so that makes the decision easy. 76ers right here, going for $20. These the 76ers is only 20. Dang, why can't the Lakers stuff be cheaper? Clipper stuff going for $5. No, I'm just joking. I think these are 60 as well. They don't have the red tag, but it is cheaper. So yeah, so those are probably down to 30. The Knicks one, I already grabbed one for my brother-in-law. 30, and then, dang, dude, I'm tripping about these. Yeah, these are down to 30 bucks. What about this Lakers one? Is it cheaper? Oh no, this is still 30. Wait, this one? What is this one? Oh, that's a Clippers. Okay. So this one's Alright, so now it's based on this one. So 60 for this, 60 for this. Kind of like that gold logo right there. But I don't know. Alright, so I think I'm going to go with this one. I'm not a huge fan of the new logo, but I think the letters are going to fall off before this does. This does have a lot more stuff, though. Like, I like the stripes and stuff like that on it. I think I'm going to go with this one. This one does have the NBA logo up top as well right here. So, yeah, I think I'm going to go with this. This is all stuff that is buy one, get one 50% off. They got some dope stuff here, man. They got way more stuff than they did before. They had Rice, Montana jerseys, Dickerson, Cunningham, Deion Sanders, but they got way more jerseys now. I feel like they have more. I don't know. Did they have all these before? I don't know. Oh, this is 50% off. I didn't even check all these. This is 50% off because those are $98, and they do have that little orange tag. The orange tags are all 50% off. So they got a Shaq jersey right here. The Vince Carter, there's no way these aren't 50% off. They do have small, medium, large for the Vince Carters. Larry Johnson, $98. Damn, dude, I should have came here before. The Magic Johnson ones. These are buy one, get one 50% off. So are these as well. But the Worthies, yeah, these are buy one, get one 50. Yeah, $135. No orange tag. There's the Bibby, and this is from way back when. Oh no, I thought this was his dad. I thought this was Henry Bibby from way back when. Yeah, that's Mike Bibby. Those are buy one, get one 50 off. Authentic, $130 for this. That's actually pretty dope. Ken Griffey Jr. one. This is authentic, $130. Yeah, authentics are only $130 for baseball. Damn, dude, that seems like a bargain compared to basketball. Yeah, $130 for the Lasorda ones. They also got Piazza. Piazza is only a small and extra large. They got large, and they got small, large, and extra large for the Piazza ones. Let's see, got Malu jersey. This is sick. $150 for these. The Bettis as well, and Bo Jackson. But these are all buy one, get one 50% off. They're not 50% off straight up. Perusing a little bit more. I missed a couple things. This Iverson jersey, the throwback Iverson, $135. And then got a small and an XL of these. These are not 50% off, though. They're buy one, get one 50% off. Shaq one. I don't know. I'm just not digging this colorway, though. I don't know why. I think it is the one that matches this, though. Yeah, it is the one that matches this. but I would never wear both. I just wouldn't do that. This one was 50 off, maybe. That's the only one magic one, huh? Well, they do have a free half drinking water, but look at this. Look at this. Is it a bobblehead? No, it's not a bobblehead. Oh, it is. No, it's just an action figure. $7.50. $7.50. You get 50% off. So $3.75 for these. Got a couple more, and then this is 15. So $7.50 for these. I got several of these for buddies. I think in January, right? Okay, so everything with the red tag, they are going for $10. Damn, that's what's up. Bunch of Lakers stuff. I already have I have a bunch of hats I haven't even worn yet though. Okay, all right. Let's pay for this and go. All right, there we go. All right, I did drive all this way. Might as well stop by a couple of shops. I spent $10 on parking today too at that other spot. So all right, let's look around here real quick. Okay, they got a little more than they did a couple days ago or a few days ago. Do got these bad boys, 72 tons, Jordan 11s. These are dope. I'm not gonna lie, these are dope. But that's about it. Wait, they got these? I've never seen these. Ooh, got some suede. This suede is rough as hell, but this is kind of dope. Dude, this ain't bad. Kind of has a reverse design where this goes on top of the toe guard right here, which we haven't seen too much. And then it is unfinished up top. 110 for these. This is definitely new. I have not seen these. These are pretty dope. Okay. Got tons and tons of LeBrons. Got the low up top, and then actually have 3 lows on top, and then got what 2, 4, 6. Oh, that's a low as well. Okay, but yeah, ton of LeBrons. Look at this, a whole shelf or 3 shelves full of LeBrons. Wow. And seeing colorways I've never even seen before. This is pretty dope. 2 bills for these. Okay. Then is that another LeBron right here though? Oh damn. Okay. LeBrons and Kyrie's. Wow. Dunks and dunks readily available. Crazy. Grayskull dunks right there. Talked about those Vans being on sale on the last video here. Like I said, it was only 3 days ago when I did come here. We are seeing the T-Max on sale. These are pretty clean. I'm kind of a fan of those. Wow, these are already on sale too. Man, that's a South Park. This came out way before these though. But that is a South Park collab right there for Adidas. And then the Insta Pump Furies on sale as well. I love the pumps. I'm just not a fan of these Insta Pumps. Or the Furies, right? I'm not a fan of the Furies. I don't get it. Damn, I've been saying if these go down to 40, I would cop. Man, I do like the feeling on them. They look comfy as hell too. Damn, I just spent $30 on these shorts right here. All right, I'm gonna have to keep my eyes open. I'm probably gonna grab these. And if they're available, if not, it's not the end of the world. But they do look comfy. Those as well look pretty comfy as well. And then they got a Lakers colorway of the Club C Revenge right here. Pretty dope. That's a Lakers colorway, yo. I don't care what y'all say. All right, let's do a quick stop over at Chic and then get the hell out of here, man. I need to go home this late. Also got those dunks too. Crazy seeing dunks available. All right, let's go. All right, we're gonna check out the Chic since it's on my way to the car. We'll check real quick. Seen most of the stuff here last week. Dang, this place has been busy as hell lately. And dang, look, we just saw one of those, the Lakers ones on sale. I think it was this one, right? This one on sale at that other spot. Not on sale here because they still have a bunch. That's kind of crazy. Hey, y'all had the opportunity to buy this stuff when it was buy one, get one out, get one free. Like a month ago, I showed y'all. These are dope, dude. I like these. I think these were on sale. I forgot to show them. I think these were on sale last time. I think these were on sale for $2.50. Yeah, normally 3 bills. These are the authentics. Those are fire. But yeah, apparently I'm scouring all of LA for jerseys right now. Apparently, I think these are regular price. These are fire. These are fire right here. Laker shorts. I kind of wish I was able to grab one of these on a sale at least. Like these are fire. I grabbed one all white with a little bit of Lakers colors, but not the official logo and stuff. But it was Mitchell Ness. Got a couple of these right here. These are freaking fire. I really do like these. I don't know if I need them like that or how often I would wear them. 170. I just like the wheat one. I like the material too. Then yeah, like I said, ton of LeBrons. Finally seeing them in a bunch of men's sizes, because before, man, we'd see them, but they'd only be in kid sizes, shipping issues or something. These look pretty dope. Color's a little crazy for me, but not too bad, not too bad. I still like these. If these go on sale, maybe at the outlets or something, those are pretty dope. And then got the Kyries right there. I think I'm done though, man. I think I'm done. I didn't hurry up and go home. All right, let's wrap it up. We'll go home and talk. All right, guys. Yeah, that was my second trip to Culver City, and that was just what, midweek this week. And yeah, I'd gone a couple days before that. I did hit up a ton of lids because I wanted them jerseys, man. I wanted to see if they had any other Lakers jerseys. I kind of do regret not picking up a Magic jersey. I think I said in one of the videos recently, I thought I had two, but I only have one. Whatever. So it is what it is. Kind of wish I grabbed one more, but we'll see. You know, if I come across one for hella cheap, you know, maybe we'll make it happen. But yeah, I did grab these, you guys. Did grab these shorts, Laker shorts, Mitchell and S. And these are freaking sweet. Got the Lakers logo on it. I couldn't decide between this one and the other one. I ended up with this one. I thought the letters on the Lakers, on the other Lakers shorts would die down or come off a little bit. It does have the NBA tag and all that stuff. And then the price tag, you guys. So these normally went for what, $88, $87.99, was down to $60, and then 50% off, so $30. Got these $88 shorts for $30 freaking dollars. These are just sick. Quality is just amazing on them. I think they got, yeah, they do have front pockets, so I can wear it casually. Fire, you guys, fire. So super happy that I did grab those. I actually grabbed a ton of Mitchell and S stuff the past 2 weeks, and then last month I also grabbed a ton of not a ton, I grabbed a few jerseys. I did grab a few jerseys. My bad, I still owe someone. My bad, dog. I'm gonna email you right after I'm done with this right after I'm done with this video, so I better have hit you up. So but yeah, I did hit up a ton of lids. I did. Man, we just have not seen sales like this in the past, especially off of Mitchell and S stuff. You know, I think a lot of companies messed up their order and they ordered way too much because last year they sold a ton. So I think that's what happened. But kind of crazy, man. Sneaker game just not the same right now. I think we're gonna start seeing bigger sales later this summer when because sneaker shop, they're just not pushing as much as they were last year and the year before and all that stuff. So I think their sales are a little bit lower. And they probably are ordering a ton of stuff because the stuff that they're getting now, that stuff was ordered 6 months ago. And 6 months ago, the economy was doing really well, but it was buying a bunch of stuff. So I think that's going to reflect from the demand from 6 months ago. I don't think the shops and stuff, I don't think that they saw this coming, even though we talked about it here on the channel 6 months ago. but I don't think they saw this coming. So I think there's going to be an influx of sneakers later this summer, late summer, and when the seasons change and stuff like that, so we're gonna see some crazy sales. But right now, it's all about the jerseys, all about the apparel, stuff like that. Hope you guys have been able to find some deals. Yeah, make sure you guys don't go in debt though, man. Make sure you guys don't buy too much. Don't put stuff on credit cards. I shared on Instagram, you know, the economy, there are a bunch of signs that it's going more and more south, and it's gonna get worse and worse and worse. So don't put stuff on your credit cards, you guys. You know, live within your means, and if you don't have the money to buy stuff, you know, just lay low for a little bit, lay low, and whenever there's sales in the future, you guys can pounce on it. But yeah, thanks so much for watching, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you help our boy out. Press that like button if you're new to the channel. Press that subscribe button. Click on that notification bell. Holy crap, I've been talking for almost 4 minutes. I need to get the hell out of here. But yeah, see you guys next one. Peace. This is the dope thing driving after work, or way after work. No traffic, dude. Zero traffic. Should be home real quick.